Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel, and today I am sharing a very easy 100% effective DIY glow serum which you can easily prepare at home and use it every night for best results. All you need are just two ingredients. First, the aloe vera gel, and second, you need pure ghee. I prefer using Patanjali ghee. Follow this routine every night before bed for best results. All you need is to follow this simple procedure. Simply cleanse your face, then dry it with a towel. Now take a small amount of aloe vera gel on your palm. And mix 2 to 3 drops of ghee in it and mix well with your finger to make it into a serum. Now apply it all over your face with your finger and massage well. Massage it into a circular motions which increases your blood circulation and prevent your skin from sagging. Try this for 1 week and you will definitely see a change in your face. You can see the instant glow on your face after applying this. If you find this video helpful, please like and share among your friends, and please subscribe my channel and do not forget to comment. I will be waiting for your comments. Bye bye.